Lockout 26704. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. Including tonight when there is a big boy break on of a case on Whatnot. Origins is in lunch. 5 times, here we go. Z2, let's do this thing. 5 times, here we go. This is random team style. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bailey loves Snom. Alright, I don't know that one. Is there a Snom?
No, he's like a little...
No, Snom. It's like Heather's favourite Pokemon. Is that the angle there? I'm quite curious.
He's the ice one. He's the little guy.
Yeah. Hey, that's cool for France. Antoine Griezmann.
Oh, yeah?
Bit of greasy. I know some greasy Frenchmen. France. Bonjour. Spot 8. T-Pav. T-Pav on a bit of a roll tonight. I don't know what T-Pav exactly collects, but he'll be happy with some jerseys tonight. Does Damo like